What is the recommended ratio of margarine to cannabis when making Cannabutter?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to delve into the exciting world of edibles, focusing specifically on making your own Cannabutter. We'll be using margarine as a base and infusing it with cannabis. If you're new to this or simply want to fine-tune your existing recipe, you've come to the right place. The key part here is to get the correct ratio of margarine to cannabis, ensuring you have a perfectly balanced, potent product.
What is Cannabutter?
Before we dive into specifics, let's briefly cover what Cannabutter is. As the name implies, Cannabutter is a blend of cannabis and butter, or in our case, margarine. It's commonly used in baking and cooking to create cannabis-infused edibles. By combining heat with fats from the margarine, the cannabinoids like THC and CBD in the cannabis become activated and can be absorbed by the body when ingested.
What is the recommended margarine to cannabis ratio?
When making Cannabutter, getting the ratio right is crucial. The general recommendation is to use 1 ounce, approximately 28 grams, of cannabis for every 1 pound, approximately 454 grams, of margarine. This ratio works well to create a balanced potency in your Cannabutter. Remember, the potency of your final product also depends on the strain and quality of the cannabis used. Higher THC content will result in a more potent Cannabutter. Always take your tolerance and desired effects into consideration when choosing your cannabis.
Can I adjust the ratio?
Yes, the ratio can be adjusted depending on your personal preference and tolerance levels. If you prefer a less potent Cannabutter, you might opt for a smaller quantity of cannabis. Conversely, if you want a more potent result, you can use more cannabis. However, remember that the recommended ratio is a good starting point for most users. Start slow, especially if you are new to making Cannabutter. It's better to have a less potent batch you can build upon than a too strong Cannabutter that's difficult to consume. There you have it, a simple guide to the perfect margarine to cannabis ratio for your Cannabutter needs. Remember, the 1-to-1 ratio of cannabis, in ounces, to margarine, in pounds, is our recommended starting point, but feel free to adjust according to your personal preference and tolerance. Happy cooking, and remember, always consume responsibly.